Pack up my tentacle. Another B-roll shot. Let's pretend that I don't know that you're watching this. Play some cool music in the background, like a typical vlogger. I'm a, you know, because I'm a professional vlogger now. I really need I want one of those, look at, now I'm wearing the hat tipped to the side. Okay, I really want one of those DJI Pocket Osmo, DJI Osmo Pocket 3, whatever that thing is called. They need to work on, the name is not memorable because I jack it up every time I try to say it. DJI Osmo Pocket 3, whatever. I want one of those things for vlogging. So DJ people, if you're listening, send me one and I'll, you know, that could be my first sponsored video. Although we're not off to a good start because I just told you that the name is jacked up. Well, whatever. I like to say things like that, you know, like it is. You probably have a great camera, but I cannot remember the name. Just being honest.